We're Diagnose AI, and we're going to put a doctor in every home. I'm Omid. This is Henry. He's my CTO, co-founder, fellow doctor, tech wizard, but most importantly, he's also my best friend since the 4th grade. I'm an ER doctor. I work all over Denver. And let's be honest, if you have to see me at work, you're having a pretty bad day. And unfortunately, I'm the only one to take care of you on your really bad day, because I'm the only one with the knowledge to take care of you. And it makes sense. I went to school for over a decade. I've read thousands of books, thousands of journal articles. I've seen thousands of patients to learn the things I need to take care of you on this day. But I have a problem, and that problem is time. Every year, I have less time to spend with my patients. Every year, my patients have to wait longer. In the last year alone, there's been a 30% increase in wait times to see a physician for the first time. There's a lot of reasons for this. Part of it is there's just not enough doctors to go around. There's actually a shortage of physicians. And you have all experienced this, every single one of you. You take a day off work to go see a doctor or a surgeon. They're in and out of the room in 5 minutes. They don't answer any of your questions. And what do you get to answer those questions? You get a stack of papers, and that's supposed to tell you all the information you need and teach you what you're supposed to do. And this is why only 48% of patients leaving the hospital even understand their care. And that's totally unacceptable. But it's also a bigger problem than that. Because what happens is you don't understand what you're supposed to do. You cancel your surgery. That's a $5 billion problem for the healthcare industry. You end up having some sort of problem and you get readmitted to the hospital. That's a $17 billion problem for the healthcare industry. This is huge. What are we going to do? Meet Diagnose AI. It's a virtual physician. It lives in all your devices. It knows your healthcare better than you do. So you get immediate access to physician knowledge whenever you need it. We started with a partnership with IBM Watson. And we quickly learned that while Watson's good at doing certain things, like answering Jeopardy questions, it's not very good at answering medical questions. So we built Diagnose AI to answer those specific types of questions. And in testing versus IBM Watson, we outperformed Watson by over 50%. But this is just a technology. How do we take a technology and put it in the hands of our patients? Let me walk you through an example. You go to see your surgeon and schedule a knee surgery. And instead of getting this packet of information that you're going to lose or throw away anyways, you get access to an iPhone app, this thing you carry around in your pocket everywhere you go anyways. You get access to a skill on Amazon Alexa or your future connected home. And now, it's 2 days before your surgery and your knee hurts. You don't know what pain medicine to take. What you might not know is if you take aspirin today right before your surgery, it gets canceled. That sucks for you and it costs the hospital $10,000. But now all you have to do instead of finding that information is ask Diagnose AI. And you get an answer to that immediately without having to wait. And we do this not only using artificial intelligence, but by logging into your electronic medical records, knowing your meds, your allergies, what surgery you're having, when you're having it, and being able to give you that specific answer. And what if we don't know the answer to that question? Then we send that question to your doctor. Your doctor texts you an answer back, and the beauty of artificial intelligence is it learns from that interaction. So the next patient who has that question gets an answer immediately. And we'll do you one better. By knowing all this information about you, we'll send you reminders. We'll put it on your calendar. We'll send you a to-do list. So now you can take care of yourself and stay healthy. For a single large volume hospital, this will save over $4 million a year. What have we done so far? We initially just tested this as a backend to see if people want to use it. We put it on Amazon Alexa, and people do want to use it. We've had over 50,000 people use it already. We're generating revenue. Amazon is paying us. Microsoft has asked us to program on their platform called Cortana as well. We're piloting this with several local companies to let their patients actually ask their medical questions as an API to get answers using our program. And now we're finally ready to sell this to hospitals as the initial customer. We're starting with joint replacement surgery for a lot of reasons. One, it's complex and they can use our help, but also because of how those surgeons are paid. They're paid using something called a bundled care payment model, which means they get one payment for the surgery. Any complication, readmission, or problem comes out of their pocket. So now they're incentivized to use something like Diagnose AI to take care of their patients. Starting with orthopedics alone, there's a $240 million market. But as we expand into other specialties, this is a $6.2 billion market. And the beauty of these numbers is they're not numbers we just pulled out of a newspaper somewhere. These are calculated addressable markets based on our customers' lifetime value. We're currently in talks with multiple Colorado hospital systems to find the perfect pilot partner to study this with. We're going to be launching version 2 of our platform, which integrates with an EMR that can answer questions, and we'll have our first 5 customers by the end of the year. We're Diagnose AI, and we believe in empowering our patients. We believe that if everyone had access to a physician in their home, or better yet, their pocket, a healthy life would be accessible for the entire world. Thank you.